In this short landlord how-to video, we'll be showing you how you can quickly and easily relist your rental property. When your unit becomes vacant, it's important to get it back on the market as fast as possible to save you time finding new renters. So let's get started. Begin by logging into your liv.rent landlord account, then navigate to Tenants on the left sidebar. If you've already signed a digital contract on liv.rent, you'll be able to see your listing under Past, Current, or Upcoming depending on its status. If the listing was marked as rented with an external tenant, the unit will show up under Past. Click View on the listing you'd like to relist to access your listing dashboard. Now, you'll simply need to click Relist this listing at the top of the page. If you signed a currently active lease agreement for this listing on liv.rent, a pop-up window will appear warning you that you already have an existing tenancy. Ensure that you've ended the existing contract, then click Proceed to continue with the relisting process. All the details from your previous listing, including photos and videos you've already uploaded, will be autofilled for your convenience. You'll only need to fill in the new availability date field, which will now be blank. Fill this in and double-check that the information you've provided is up to date, as well as adding any additional details you might have missed. Click Next in the bottom right corner to preview your listing. Then hit Publish Listing when you're ready. If you've already verified your listing the first time you uploaded it, the verification badge will carry over to your new listing as well. For more how-to videos and guides to liv.rent's landlord tools, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.